Hi and welcome to Bikerheadz. My name's Ed and today I'm going to show you the official way to clean your pin lock. So most of you by now will know about Pinlock. Pinlock is the anti-fog system that goes inside the visor of your helmet. And most of you are going to have one built into your helmet. If it isn't built in, I suggest you go and get one because they're a fantastic product and they'll stop your helmet fogging up in the winter. One of the questions we get asked all the time about this product is, how do you clean it? It's a very sensitive piece of material and it soaks up moisture. You don't want to scratch it because it's easily scratched. So we get asked how to clean it properly. We checked out YouTube, tried to find a video on how to clean it. People are using sponges in the sink, all sorts of things that you shouldn't do with them. So what we did was we had a chat to Pinlock and they've come up with a solution, a proper kit that's officially available now. So it is made in Austria, so it's a high-end product as well, officially made by Pinlock. So let's just go through a bit. First thing you need to do is take the visor off. So with the shoe birth obviously it's fairly simple. Just take the visor off fairly easy. If you don't know how to take the visor off, give your dealer a shout. There are some videos on YouTube for most of the brands now how to take the visor off your helmet. Inside there you've got your pin lock. It's a bit of the rubber seal around here. Easiest way to take that out is to bend the visor open and it should just pop straight out. So that's your visor, there's your pin lock. So, Pinlock have then provided a wipe. As I say, made in Austria, high-end product. There are two wipes in here, but they are one application. So you've got a wet and dry wipe. Essentially, the first thing you do is open the packaging. So one will say clean on the top, that's here. You just whip the cloth out, fairly simple. And that's the part you give your Pinlock the clean with. Also want to make sure you've got clean hands with this, no grit and dirt on them. Just give your Pinlock a clean with that. Get all the dirt, anything you've breathed on it off there, because they will get dirty after a while. Give that a clean with a wet wipe, and then put that to one side. If you've got an airing cupboard near a radiator, just put that aside and let that dry naturally. And that's you done cleaning your Pinlock. But with this kit, you've also got two other cloths. You've got another cloth and the wet cloth. Then you clean your visor with the same wet cloth. So you give that a clean with the same wet cloth, inside and out. Make sure it's nice and clean. Obviously, I'm not doing it thoroughly on the video because you'll get very bored watching me do it. And on the other side, you've got this dry wipe. So when you pull the dry wipe out, that's for drying off your main visor. Don't use your dry wipe on your Pinlock. That's just set aside drying naturally because it is so delicate. You want to just let that dry as naturally as possible. So you give your visor a clean with this dry cloth, inside and out. As I say, just buff that up, make sure it's nice and dry. And then all you need to do, once your Pinlock's dry, I'm not going to put it back in now because it's still going to be a bit wet on that. Pop your Pinlock, just bend your visor open, pop your Pinlock back in, and that's your visor and your Pinlock nice and clean. So you've got to see where you're going. It's going to work all winter for you. They're available now, all these boxes. Any more information, there's a couple of different numbers you can buy, so get down your local dealer or go to bikerheadz.co.uk for any more information. You can download a copy of our catalogue there or pick one up from your local dealer. As I say again, go to bikerheadz.co.uk for more information.